Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Tesla energy data with Powerwall app sync. Complete. To backup your Tesla energy data using the Powerwall app, begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Powerwall app on your device. Log into your Tesla account if prompted. Once inside the app, navigate to the settings menu, which can typically be found in the upper right corner. Select the backup option from the settings menu. Here, you will see options related to your energy data. Choose the option to back up your data. The app may ask for permission to create a backup. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to proceed. You will now see a summary of the data that will be backed up. Review this summary carefully to ensure all your desired data is included. Once reviewed, tap the Confirm button to initiate the backup. The app will then begin the backup process. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. When the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. You can check the backup history within the same settings menu if desired. For added security, consider periodically backing up your data. This ensures that you always have the latest information stored safely. Close the app once you have confirmed the backup was successful. Your Tesla energy data is now safely backed up with the Powerwall app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.